Hi, aspiring Despreneur partner. I am Jean, and today we are going to talk about the basic insights and performance reading. So I know some of you is already familiar with content, right? And also you are familiar on how to create one. But before that, let me tell you this. Did you know that creating a content is only one part of managing a social media? So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang sapat na nagpo-post tayo. So, another thing is, it is also important for us to understand on how our posts are performing. Kung kamusta nga ba yung kalagayan ng mga posts natin. So, um, most of social media platform kasi is already providing an insight or analytics. So, ito yung mga sections wherein you can see the performance data of your content. So, dito natin makikita yung mga tao, if how many people saw our post, how many people reach um, how many people reached, and kung gaano karaming taong nagko-comment or kung sino-sino yung magko-comment, and kung gaano karaming nag-share. And also kung gaano ka-effective yung content na ginawa natin. So, yon. By learning this on how to read this insight, so mas maintindihan natin, no, if which post is working well and kung anong post nga ba yung hindi hindi karapat-dapat or kailangan pa talaga ng improvement. And because of that, so we can improve our future content strategy and create a post that people will engage with more. So if you're interested on understanding or on learning if what are those or kung paano nga ba yon, so I bet you that this presentation is for you. So hope to see you on my next video clip.